Hi y'all, it's Alec from Sharing the Journey. We're at OK RV Park in Holbrook, Arizona. Cindy and I spent 2 nights here while we went to the Petrified Forest. Very convenient to that location. I'm gonna show you around the campground a little bit and tell you about it. So right as you enter the campground, they've got a playground right here. It's completely fenced in. Keep your kids from running out in the yard or into the road, not the yard, the road. And they've also got a poop waste station. As we go towards the store, they've got a gathering location for all their guests, picnic tables, trash cans, charcoal grill, and a very nice pavilion. I would probably put some of the picnic tables under here, but it's a very nice pavilion. So located between the pavilion area and the store is all this petrified trees, hard as a rock. And then they've got these cute murals on their maintenance buildings that really blend into this area. And here's the store over here. However, the store does not open till 9. We're hoping to be out of here by 9 or 9:30. So I am doing the review early. Now I talked to the lady in the office, well, as she was going to the office to open up for the day. She doesn't know exactly how many sites there are, but she said there were around 70 RV spots. Now what I like is, I'm gonna show you how long they are. Here's our coach right here. We're on site 4, right across from the office, and they are narrow. Like our picnic table literally had to be moved over so the other camper could pull in, and they're staggered, but that means they're very long. They're fully graveled. They are decently maintained. But you can see there's plenty of room between the coach and the Jeep. And then you can see where the gravel changes colors. The darker gravel is the road. And yeah, they're nice and long. They're just kind of narrow. They've got 50, 30, and 20 amp service. Got 2 water faucets, however one of ours is broken. They have sewer, and they have multiple sewers on each site, in case you got one of those big fancy fifth wheels that have, or motorhomes that have front and rear gray water tanks for a second bathroom or something like that. And they have trash dumpsters located all through the park. They do not pick up your trash, but they do have dumpsters close to all the sites. And there are a few trees, which is nice. We didn't have one, but there are a few trees. Right here is the clubhouse / rec area. It looks like it's a double wide trailer. Does have picnic tables and seating. I'm not sure if it's open. I will be honest, I have not been in here. I've looked through the windows. Looks like there's a TV in there, a small kitchen. All right, so inside the clubhouse, you can tell it is an old double wide trailer. They have foosball. They have 2 large older sofas, some chairs, a huge big screen TV, tables for sitting around eating and playing cards. They have a full kitchen in case you need to make some brown rice for your potluck, which they do here from time to time. I like that it's got a big wraparound porch all the way around it with seating. Here's one of the bathrooms. You could use a little cleaning today. It's still early, so I'm sure that the work campers have not come by yet. But it's a nice, decent facility to use. Like I've said earlier, is that you know, the park is well maintained. It's clean-ish. The people here do a pretty good job. It's just the park looks old and tired. But if you were going to Petrified Forest and you don't want to pay the prices for the KOA up the street, it's been quiet. Things have been great. We haven't had any problems. Now, I will take you and show you the biggest negative of the park here in a few stops. Down here by site 22, there is the laundry facility. Now on the back side of this laundry facility, over on this side, is the maintenance, one of the maintenance sheds where they keep lawnmowers or blowers. I don't think they need any lawnmowers here, but weed eaters. They have a big sprayer in there they pull around to kill weeds. But the laundry room is very, very spacious. There are 6 washing machines that take $2.25, and there are 6 dryers that are $2 a piece. Now, they do not take quarters. You have to use a credit card or a debit card. Then they have a nice table to fold things on. Across the road from the laundromat is restrooms. They've got, looks like 2 sets of women's restrooms and 2 sets of men's restrooms. They are closed for cleaning. I was in there yesterday and they're okay. Everything at the park looks kind of old and tired, but it's all clean and functional. Behind the restrooms is a very large dog park. I will tell you that my puppy Chance, he doesn't like the deserty climate. He doesn't like going to the bathroom on the rocks, but you know, that's what the whole area is full of, and that's what he's got to deal with. So you can see, I mean, the place is pretty full. Matter of fact, when we made our reservation 2 days ago, they only had 2 sites that were available. And it's been very quiet. We've had a good stay. Love that old country coach right there. I wish they didn't quit making those. Now they do offer propane filling here. Not sure how I would bring my motorhome in unless this is a service lane right here next to the campsites. Now the back section, or the other half of this park, is a mobile home park. So right here is a trailer. Right there's my camper. I don't have a problem with a mobile home park and camper together, but right across from my campsite is a derelict trailer that looks like it's been sitting here and has been vacant for quite some time. I'm not sure how many trailer spots they have. Some of them have old RVs on them. Like there's a trailer. Here's an old, I want to say from looking at it, a Holiday Rambler, but I'm not sure. You can tell it's been here for a while. He's got 100-pound cylinder and 2 20-pound cylinders for propane. Here's another trailer. There's another one. You see they go all up and down the road. Now, all the trailers here but maybe 4. And I would say there's 70 or 80 of them here. They all look like they're from the 60s and 70s. A few of them are like the first one I showed you, which are abandoned and derelict and really an eyesore. I was worried when we got here that because of all the old mobile homes that were here and the derelict trailers, that we would have issues with homeless or people coming by begging and stealing. Well, I left all my bays unlocked while I was here. We've been to the park, we've been out to eat, we've been to the gift stores and all that stuff, and nothing's gotten stolen, and I haven't seen any homeless or derelicts running around, so it seems pretty safe. I just wish I wasn't camped across the street from a abandoned derelict trailer.